Okay, then I will select the timer. So it will blink for about 5 seconds before it stops. Okay, then to choose the timer, to increase or decrease the time, you just press plus or minus and let it blink for 3 seconds. Okay. Okay. To switch the timer, okay, same plus and minus. Okay. To switch to change the time for the other burner, press and hold, it will switch and then it will blink. So if both burner is on at the same time, okay, the timer will always start from the left. Okay, press and hold to switch the timer. To off the timer, either you manually off, okay, or you can press minus until you reach 0.